What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the unlocked Samsung Galaxy A70. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so first and foremost, just want to talk about the specifications. Starting with the screen, we have a 6.7 inch Super AMOLED screen. Now that's going to be 1080 by 2400, and we are going to have a 393 ppi. As far as our chipset goes, we have the Snapdragon 675, we have the Adreno 612 GPU, we have 6 or 8 gigabytes RAM depending on what model you get. This is the 6 gigabyte of RAM model. There's also 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and we do have a micro SD card slot if you guys do want to expand that storage. We also have Android 9.0 as far as our OS. I'm not 100% sure if we do have the Android 10.0 update, but I know we have Samsung One UI. As for our cameras, we have 3 rear-facing cameras, one 32 megapixel, one 8 megapixel, and we also have a depth camera that is 5 megapixels. Now, for our front-facing camera, we do have a 32 megapixel f2.0 aperture, which is pretty nice to be quite honest, and it also records in 1080p video. This also comes with a 4500 mAh battery and 25 watt fast charging. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's go ahead and take this top off real quick. Now, first and foremost, we have the phone right here. We're going to go ahead and put that aside, and we have that awesome Carolina blue color right there. That looks amazing. Next, we have a little box right here that comes in the top part of the box. This actually hosts, first and foremost, a quick start guide, and next it looks like we have a case, which looks pretty cool. So we have a TPU case. Next, we have the quick start guide in Spanish, and we also have our warranty card. And that is it for that box. All right, so first and foremost, we have the 25 watt fast charger right here. Next, we have some earbuds that come with this, which is pretty cool. Next, we have our USB Type-C cable. And we also have our SIM ejector tool. Alright everyone, so first and foremost, we have the 6.7 inch Super AMOLED screen right here. We have the 32 megapixel camera at the top right there. Now looking at the bottom of the phone, we have our 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. We also have our USB Type-C port, noise canceling mic, and we have our speaker at the bottom as well. Back of the phone, we have this Carolina blue color, which I think looks beautiful. I'm just saying Carolina blue because I'm talking about the Carolina blue Jordan, so anybody who rocks Jordans, shout out to you. We have the Samsung emblem at the back. We have our LED flash right below the 3 camera setup, and we're going to talk about those cameras in a bit, and we're going to see how they look. Also, right side of the phone, we have our volume up and down rocker, and we also have our power button. Top of the phone, we have our noise canceling mic. Left side of the phone, we have our SIM tray that hosts a micro SD card slot and a SIM card slot as well. All right, awesome. So going into the UI, obviously we have a in-screen fingerprint sensor right there, and it's actually pretty quick, as you guys can see. 3, 2, 1, go. Super quick right there. We're gonna go through the UI, show you around a bit, and then we're gonna go and check out the cameras. All right guys, so it looks like this is running Android 9.0 Pie. Hopefully we get an update later on. Something that I also noticed right here at the top, just above the 32 megapixel shooter, is a headset, which I think is really cool because it's tucked away. And then we also have that V right there, which looks pretty cool. But yeah, we're using Android 9.0 Pie on this device, which kind of sucks. This does have One UI, but let's just hope that we get One UI 2, and we also get Android 10.0. Very premium feeling in the hand. I really do like this phone. I do have big hands, so I like phones that are big. So 6.7 inches is going to get you there. Obviously, we have the Galaxy A51 at 6.5, I believe, and then we also have the A71 at 6.7 inches as well, and those are the successors to this device. Now, obviously, I'm going to do my full review and everything later on. Definitely tell me what kind of videos you want on this phone. But last thing, I just want to go ahead and check out the camera and see how live focus looks, because I have used a bunch of A series phones and the cameras are just blowing me away. Let's go ahead and try this out. All right everyone, so as you see, I did take a picture, and honestly this looks really good. As you guys see, the edge detection is super good, and that's hard to get on lower budget phones such as Umidigi, LG. The corners seem to be blurred out all the time, but this is very good edge detection. Picture's clear. The colors are pretty saturated as well. As you guys can see, I have that Pac-Man sign in the background. But I definitely want to go into full detail with this, so I'll probably do a camera review later on, but that is pretty impressive at this price tag. Alright everyone, so just wrapping this up really quick, this phone is the international version. It will be working on GSM carriers, so it's going to work on GSM carriers such as Metro by T-Mobile, T-Mobile, AT&T, just Cricket Wireless. This will definitely work on GSM carriers. This isn't going to work on any other carriers though. Other than that, this phone is $319, and it does come with a 128GB SD card to further your memory, so that's pretty cool as well. So if you guys want to go ahead and pick this up, I do have the link in the description down below, as well as the first comment down in the comment section below. And this is an affiliate link, so if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this phone, definitely go ahead and do your shopping through that link. But yeah, this was the unboxing of the Galaxy A70. Hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are. Peace out, Tech Gang.